Look what I got here today. It is another element with an e-camper on it too. What am I gonna do with this? Could I be back in the elements? Well, ever since I sold my element, I actually really regretted it. I really wanted to continue building the element after the fact, but well, anyways, well, I'm going to get a chance to help out a fellow YouTuber with his element build. And in case you're wondering, no, I'm not going to be building other people's campers from now on. That's just not going to happen. But I couldn't give up an opportunity to work on another element. I just really love the form factor. But anyways, for this element, what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a cabinet right here. I'm not really going to do a whole build or anything like that, but I just want to be able to build a cabinet using this area, and just taking what I learned from my past element build and my Sienna builds and things like that. I want to incorporate all this, and you could see this window is recessed, and I have that cabinet in my Sienna, which I really love, and I'm going to use some of that same concept to build a cabinet here. So that's what we're going to try to do for Element Lifestyle. So this belongs to Miguel at Element Lifestyle, and check out his channel. I'll leave a link in the description for you. Stay tuned, because I'm not just going to build a cabinet for this element. I'm going to build another element out to fully. Miguel has two elements, and after I do the cabinet for this one, I'm going to have free reign to do whatever I want on a new element canvas.